Westside Wheelers here. Today we are with
Andrew, For Low Adventures.
and we are at the MetalCloak trailer. We got a little surprise for you guys. We tested these rigs out. What do you think the numbers are? How would you like a swag pack? We haven't decided what we're gonna give out yet, but we decided that with the best guesses on our channel, AZ Westside Wheelers and For Low Adventures, go in and make your comments. We're gonna post up the videos and we wanna see who has the closest guess to what the numbers on these two rigs are. What did they hit? 500, 1,000, 2,500? No, I'm just kidding. What did they hit? I heard some guesses on the internet and it kind of hurt my feelings. I would like to see if somebody got close or if they're just all way off and nobody was even there. So leave a comment below in this video and we'll send you a swag pack if you win.
It's as close as you can get without going over.
Correct. Over is lost, under is the winner, unless you hit it right on the money. I'd like to see that though. We might even throw a little something extra if you hit it right on the nail. So we're gonna drop another video showing you us getting up on the MetalCloak trailer, the flex results, and the actual number results. So you're gonna have to subscribe and hit the bell on both our channels to see when that next video comes out so you get the swag pack if you won, because commenting in this video isn't gonna get you anything unless you know the numbers on the next one. So stay tuned for that next video. We appreciate you. Like, subscribe, share, comment down below.
Make all the demons quiet, yeah, we